solve tangent of 2x minus 5 is equal to 1. First of all, notice that it is given 5 degrees and also x is greater or equal than 0 and less or equal than 180 degrees. So it means that we deal with degrees, not radians. And for tangent, we just apply a formula. We just copy this argument, just rewrite 2x minus 5 degrees, and it doesn't matter what it is equal to arctangent of the value on the right hand side of 1. Arctangent is the same as the inverse tangent, or tan negative 1, and applying a calculator you may find directly using tan negative 1 to find the value of this arctangent, and plus 180 k, where k is any integer, 0, 1, 2, and so on, also negative, negative 1, negative 2, and so on. So k is integer, and since everything in degrees, we write 180 k. If it would be in radians, we should write plus pi k to get the general solution. There are infinitely many solutions, and we find, when we solve for x, we find the general solution. And we need just solve for x. What is arctangent? It's such the angle so that tangent is 1. You may use a calculator if it's a question with a calculator, but it's a question without a calculator, and you should be familiar with sine, cosine, tangent for 30, 45, and 60 degrees, and tangent of 45 is 1. So we write that it becomes 2x minus 5 degrees is 45 degrees plus 180k, and we need just solve for x. So we move negative 5 to the right, so it becomes 2x is 50 degrees plus 180k, and dividing each term by 2 to get just x, so we get x is 25 degrees plus 90k. It's the general solution. There are infinitely many solutions, but we need x from x should be greater or equal than 0 and less or equal than 180, and we consider just values for k to get specific values, and we start with 0. When k is 0, x is 25, and 25 is in the required region, so 25 is the required solution. Then when k is 1, it becomes 90 plus 25, so 115 degrees, also from a given region, so also the required answer. And when k is 2, it becomes 180 plus 25, definitely it's greater than 180, so it's not the required answer. And also in general k can be negative, but when k is negative 1, it becomes negative 90 plus 25, and definitely it's negative, so definitely it's not from the required region. So there are only 2 solutions from a given region for x to be greater or equal than 0 and less or equal than 180 degrees. And that's all for this question.